Hello everybody, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what we got today? We got our Ipsys! Yay! Alright Ipsy, I don't know what I'm going to do with you. I don't know, I'm on the fence. Boxycharm's got the premium box. I don't know what I'm doing. Gotta stay on a budget. Might have to cancel Ipsy. I don't know, we're gonna discuss it. I don't know. Anyways, for those of you who don't know, Ipsy is an American subscription. If you're in the States, it's going to cost you $12 starting in October. If you're in Canada, like I am in Toronto, it is going to cost us $12, and then shipping is going to be now $2.99. But our price that we pay still stays the same, so it's around $20 to $21 a month. It's 5 deluxe size items. On the 2nd of every month, very important, on the 2nd of every month, they will show you your spoilers, and then you get a chance to get some add-ons. You're allowed 5 coming in October, 5 add-ons. Full-size add-ons are $12 USD, and deluxe size add-ons are $3 USD. That's what I want to say. So we are going to pull out the first Ipsy bag, and the bag is very, very cute. Liking this bag and my add-ons, and I believe I should have something here that I ordered with my points. But I don't know which bag it is. Okay. All right, so my add-ons, I had, wow, this is tiny, ordered the Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation, and I don't know what shade this is in. I don't know. Oh, no, it might kind of maybe work. Let's see. Let's see. I can't see none. It might work. I don't know. Bronze it up maybe. Anyways, so this was an add-on. It was $3 USD, so it cost me $5 Canadian. And I heard good things about it, but it is a matte, I believe. So I'm going to do a review on this foundation, Smashbox. And I also ordered, because you know I am a fanatic. Yes, I believe I ordered this brush. It's the blending brush. It is the Farah blending brush. Madison, what are you stepping on, honey? Yeah. I heard something. Tell me it's not makeup. It's the Farah blending brush. I got that one as a $3 add-on. Okay, and I think this other brush is in my bag. So we're going to pull it out. Ipsy's theme this month is Find Your Light, and the bag is so cute. Look at that. Isn't that cute? So this is the bag. Oh, here's the front of it. Really, really liking this bag. It's got Ipsy right here on the back. It's a beautiful bag. Find Your Light. And what is this thing called again?
A crystal.
A crystal. A crystal? Very cute. Okay.
Like a stone crystal.
Yes, this was in my bag. It is the Farah brushes. Wait. The Farah brush. Oh, I like that they got this right here. Contour brush. I like this dip. Isn't that nice?
It's blue.
Yeah, it's got this blue bristles. Very pretty. Oh, I'm going to like this. I'm really going to like this. And you don't have to use it for contour. I'll probably use it for highlight. That's probably what I'm going to use it for. Okay, the next thing, where's that paper, Mag? All right. So I want to make sure I got everything I was supposed to get. Next thing in here, oh my God, I'm so happy. It is the Madison Miller Ofra. Ofra and Madison. It was a collab they worked on. Madison Miller. I love watching her videos. It's her blush. And I have the Sweet Stuff blush. Oh my Lord. It's so pretty. Look how big this is. Wow.
Let me see.
Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And I think this is like $20-something on Ofra's site. I mean, this got to be the full size, right? If this is a deluxe size, I can't imagine what the full size looks like. That is insane. So that's the Ofra. The next thing I got is, oh my God, Pure Lease again. I swear to God, every month I've been getting Pure Lease. So this is a Pure Lease Energizer 2-minute polishing peel. From one bag or the other, I'm getting Pure Lease. Okay, enough with the Pure Lease. And then I got the LOCK Color Unicorn Glow Hydrating Primer. I'm very excited to try that. A new primer to go with my foundation. And also got the Glow Recipe Watermelons Glow Sleeping Mask. And I'm trading this with one of my girls because she's got a bottle of Arizona. Yes, baby. I'm sorry, Glow Recipe. My Arizona gonna come first, but this is very nice as well. So that's that bag. I'm happy with that bag. I'm not mad at it. That's a nice bag, right? Okay, my next bag. And why does it feel so thick? I don't remember what I got in here. My next bag. Okay, I'm just going to take out my add-ons here. Maybe that's why, because I had a lot of add-ons. Okay. So, first add-on I had gotten the Benefit GimMe Brow. This is for my niece. My niece asked me to get it for her. So, there you go, Princess Boo. There's your add-on. I also, remember, I broke my IBY highlighter, the 24 karat magic one, and I was able to redeem my points. It was 600 points, and I got a new, what kind of faces are you making? A new highlighter. Look at that. And I get asked all the time. I got Morphe on right now, but I get asked all the time. Oh, Daddy wants you. Look at that. I mean, you can use this as like a topping of an eyeshadow as well, you know? Let's see.
What?
Right? I get asked all the time what highlight I got on, and it's usually IBY. I'm telling you, I love IBY highlights. Okay, another add-on. Oh, and so that was my points. This was the deluxe size add-on. It was $3 USD, so like $5. Another add-on that I got was the Bye Bye Redness for sensitive skin. I want to give that a try because, you know.
Where even is it? It's not inside of the hair.
And hold on, Meg.
Oh, it is.
So I don't know if that's coming in my bag or not. And the last add-on I got, and this was the full-size add-on, it's the Ofra Madison Miller collab. So this was $12 USD, and I couldn't wait to get it. And I'm praying, please pray to Lord, because I've seen many people say theirs was broken. Oh my God, it's broken. Tell me, yep, it's broken. Look at the back. I didn't even open it yet. And I can see that it looks like it's broken. Please tell me you didn't break. Please. Oh, it's going to fall out. Okay. So it didn't break, but it's quite a mess. But this one right here, I don't know, like, is it coming out of the pan? I'm pushing it back inside. I'm almost afraid to touch it. Be very, very gentle. So there's one highlight. Oh, and it's like butter. Butter. And this is, I think this is called, Maddie, please be careful. This is the blush, and I believe this is the same blush as this one, the Sweet Talk. I think it is. And this is the other highlight. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. So beautiful. So, yeah, thank God. I think if this here had to go any further before it got to me, it would have been broken. But it didn't. Oh, I'm so happy. And yes, I believe that blush is Sweet Talk too. Does it say? No. It's not telling me the names.
Like my shades?
Very nice.
And look at my lips. They're so shiny.
Mm-hmm. They are shiny. What do you have on? The iMan? I got stuff everywhere. Oh, okay. Okay, so my bag is the same bag, obviously. Oh, and this was an add-on. I got another brush. Right. Because, you know, I got an addiction. Another Farrah blending brush. Awesome.
I need some brushes.
You got lots of brushes, girl. Okay, we're going to go into my bag. I got another Ofra Cosmetics, Ofra and Madison Miller blush. This is All I Need is Love Blush. All I Need is Love Blush. Blush. All I Need is Love. That's what it's called. All I Need is Love. I guess, I don't know. Like, All You Need is Love, but Ollie, I don't know who Ollie is. Is Ollie like her dog or something? I don't know. Because I know it's not her daughter, because her daughter's name is Riley. Right. Oh my God. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. It's like butter. Swear to God, better swatch. It is like butter. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Okay, I love that color. Okay, the next thing in this bag, I don't want to get anything full of swatch, so I keep on wiping off my fingers. Next thing is Phase Zero, and we got some blushes from them last month. This is an eyeshadow, and this is called Mush a Broom. And I was quite disappointed with Ipsy because I'm like, okay, enough with the brown eyeshadows. Like, I know I like my browns and stuff like that, but I have so many. So this is the color. It's a nice shimmer. It's like a grayish, brownish kind of a thing. But, you can't tell them to stop with certain colors. And I'm like, well, you don't have a lot. I don't need another one, baby. I had one right there. But thank you. But they don't have a lot of selection for you to pick out on their profile. Like, they just got plums. But they got pinks in with the purples. Do you know what I mean? Like, I like pink, but I don't wear purple. And neutrals. So if I say no to neutrals, then I'm not going to get champagne colors because they got the champagnes in with the browns. So they need a better selection on that, which I asked them to do that, but I don't know. I have another Smashbox foundation shade 216. Is that what my other one was? Yes, it is. So I think I went, okay, I'll get the same one in case I really like it. So I think it was like medium. It might work. We can always bronze it. We'll see, right? We'll do a review on it. And I also got Brigio Don't Despair Repair Strength Moisten Leave-In Mask. This is for your hair. A lot of people love this. This is really good. I have it. I don't know if I've used it or how I felt about it, but I know I do have this somewhere. And the last thing in my bag is another one of these Benefit Give Me Brow, but it's in a lighter shade. So this is in Warm Golden Blonde for me, and the other one I got in Neutral Light Brown for my niece. So that's what I got in my 2 bags. So let's just, for 20 bucks, we got an eyeshadow, we got some foundation, we got the leave-in stuff, we got the Ofra blush, which, oh my God, I don't know if this is full size or not, but if it is, then it's $29 USD, something like that, on the Ofra website. And what else did we get in that bag? Oh, we got it all there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's what we got in this bag for 20 bucks. Not bad. I mean, that's a good deal. In the other bag, we got the blush, we got the primer, we got the Fair Up contour brush, which, oh, this is a really nice brush. Then we got the Glow Recipe Sleeping Mask. And we also got the Pure Lease, which, okay, enough with the Pure Lease already. Enough. No more. That's it, everyone. Don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell. I do have a Look Fantastic giveaway happening until September 27th. I'm going to pick my winner on my live. September 27th, Eastern Standard Time. I'm in Toronto at 8:30, Toronto evening. I will pick my winner for my Look Fantastic. I do have a 1,000 subscriber giveaway happening. You want to check that out. Don't forget, there will be surprises. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.
And don't forget to hit the bell and the notification button and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you very much.